In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from an image with ClipDrop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an image that has distracting text and get a clean, polished version you can use anywhere. First, open your web browser and go to the ClipDrop website. Once the page loads, look for the navigation at the top and hover your cursor over the Tools section. This reveals a list of features. From there, choose Text Remover. This is the tool that uses AI to detect and cleanly replace text in your image with matching background details. On the Text Remover page, you'll be prompted to upload your image. Click to upload from your computer or drag and drop the file into the window. Make sure the image you choose is the one that actually contains the text you want to remove. Higher resolution images generally give the AI more context, which can lead to better results, especially if the text overlaps patterns or complex backgrounds. After your image appears in the workspace, click the Remove Text button. This starts the AI process. What's happening behind the scenes is that ClipDrop analyzes the areas where text is present and attempts to rebuild the background as if the text were never there. It's normal for this to take a moment, especially on larger images or slower connections, so just give it a little time to finish. When the processing is done, you'll see the updated image with the text removed. Take a quick look to make sure the result matches your needs. Zoom in if you'd like to check edges and patterns. Simple backgrounds like skies or solid colors are typically seamless, but even with textures, ClipDrop does a solid job blending the fill. If you notice small imperfections, try a slightly higher resolution version of the same image and repeat the process for a cleaner fill. Once you're satisfied, click Download to save the edited image to your device. It will be saved as a standard image file that you can use in presentations, social posts, documents, or design projects. Keep the original file as a backup just in case you want to compare or run a different edit later. Now, that's all there is to it. Go to ClipDrop, hover over Tools, choose Text Remover, upload your image, click Remove Text, wait for the AI to process, and then download your clean result. With this simple workflow, you can quickly remove unwanted text and keep your visuals looking professional